Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Student. In today's video, we are going to start the first chapter of Business Studies class 11, that is nature and purpose of business. So our first topic in this chapter is the concept of human activities and their types. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. So what are human activities? In simple words, all the tasks that humans perform in their day-to-day life are termed as human activities. As we know, the whole life of a human being gets consumed in the performance of activities, and the purpose behind every activity is the satisfaction of wants, needs, desires, and so on. Now, these activities are multiple in number and varied in nature. Like some are performed to earn money, while others for non-monetary gains. In a nutshell, all the activities in which we participate from morning till night are human activities, such as we get up in the morning, brush our teeth, eat breakfast, children going to school, elders going to office, and housewives working at home, etc. So performance of all these tasks are collectively known as human activities. Now let's study the types of human activities. On examination of the human activities, one can find that some of these produce direct economic benefits like working in office, factory, while others like taking breakfast, going to school, etc. These don't produce any direct economic benefits. And the motive behind performing any activity is different to another. Therefore, on the basis of their purpose and motive, human activities are broadly classified into two types, that is, economic activities and non-economic activities. So, what are economic activities? These are the human activities which are performed for creating wealth in various forms. The purpose behind every economic activity is to make money, to earn money. Money is needed all times to purchase the basic requirements of life, that is food, shelter, and clothing. And the outcome of any economic activity is money. So when humans engage in economic activities, they earn money as well as satisfy their basic needs. Even we cannot satisfy our other types of wants unless we have sufficient amount of money. So without economic activities, life in this universe is not possible. Some of the examples of economic activities are production of goods by a manufacturer in a factory, distribution of goods by a wholesaler, selling of goods by a retailer, working as a teacher in a school, and so on and so forth. Economic activities are further classified into three types, that is profession, employment, and business. We will discuss about these in detail in our upcoming video. Now let's understand the concept of non-economic activities. So what are non-economic activities? So activities other than economic activities are known as non-economic activities. In other words, all the activities that are not economic are non-economic. So these are the human activities which are performed not for generating wealth, making money, but are performed out of social obligation, religious binding, love and affection. etc. Now let's take a look at the examples of non-economic activities, like meditation by a person, engaging in sports activities for physical fitness, worshipping God, giving charity to poor and needy, having dinner with family, spending time with family, and so on. So that's all for today's video. If you want to show your support, like and share the video, comment your queries, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so as to get notified for upcoming videos. See you in next video. Bye bye.